All right, so this right here is a Unit 6 practice exam. Actually, it's the one I made. It's the practice of the practice exam. It's similar to our first practice exam, and I created because some people wanted extra help. So let's do this. So which expression is equal to 5 to the 6th power? You're like, what's that caret thing right there? Well, that means 5 to the 6th power. In an exponent, we have a base and we have a power. And in 5 to the 6th, the base is 5. It's actually, that's right. The base is 5 and the power is 6. So we know that 5 to the 6 is going to be the power tells us how many times we repeat the multiplication of our base, and we're going to do it 5 times. So that's going to be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. That's 4 times times 5. 5 times 5. And so that's what 5 to the 6th power means. Given that, so um, we have 65 here. Is that going to be equal to the expression? Well, 5 times 5 is going to be 25. 25 times 5 is going to be 125. So if I keep going, it's going to keep getting bigger, and that is already bigger than our 65. So this is not a solution. 65 is not a solution. But here we have B. Let's look at B. B has 5 times once, twice, three, four, five, 6 times, which is going to be equal to 5 to the 6th power, as we've shown right here. And that means that yes, this is equal to 5 to the 6th power. This does equal 5 to the 6th power. 5 plus 6 does not mean the same thing as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, that's not equal, so this is not a solution. And 5 times 6 means 5 6 times, which means adding 5 6 times. And that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6. And many times students will confuse the multiplication of 6 with the power. So multiplication of 5 6 times with the raising of the power of 5 to the 6th power. But you notice the difference here. This is not equal to 5 to the 6th power because that's multiplying 5 6 times, and this is adding 5 6 times. And when you multiply 5 6 times, you get a much bigger value than you would if you added 5 6 times. So 5 times 6 is not a solution.